Hi everyone, let's see how you can create a system restore point in Windows 10 or 11. To get started, simply search for system restore and click on create a restore point. From here, select local disk C and click on configure. Now select the turn on system protection and save the change. Once done with that, simply click on create. Now type any name using which you can easily identify this restore point and click on create. Now wait for few seconds. And that's it, the restore point will be created successfully. Now when you want to do a system restore, come back here and click on system restore and click on next. You will see that the name is listed here using which you created the restore point, and click on next and perform a system restore. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.